Good morning, everyone. I am Ashish Bhardwaj, currently pursuing BBA from MERI Janakpuri, and I would be giving a talk on barriers to communication in a classroom scenario and how to overcome them. So, let's begin. Communication. Communication is the art of transmitting knowledge, ideas, information, and thoughts from one person to another. The meaning and the intent of the message. Importance of communication. It establishes effective leadership, helps in proceeds of motivation and moral development, helps in smooth working, promotes cooperation and peace, acts as a basis of coordination and cooperation, acts as basis for decision making, increases managerial efficiency. Classification of barriers. First, physical barriers. Second, semantic and language barriers. Third, socio-psychological barriers. Fourth, cross-cultural barriers. Fifth, organizational barrier. Physical barriers. Physical barriers such as outside disturbance, inattentiveness, bad handwriting or typing, visual noise, which means late arrival of students. Physical barrier or information overload. Piling up of tasks due to improper time management. Excess number of people assigned for same task, workload or information duplication. Language barriers. Language barriers are for those who speak do not know and those who know do not speak. Second, no clarity in speech. Third, using jargons. Fourth, not being specific. Semantics. Similarly sounding words such as pale and PAIL. Words that have multiple pronunciations. Words having multiple meanings. Never desert your friends in the desert. Close the window before the bee gets too close. In this, no one can understand what the sentence means. Socio-psychological barriers. Basically, psychological barriers can be described as the cause of distorted emotions, such as attitude, hope, desires can affect the person's psychology. Cross-cultural barriers. Cross-cultural barriers such as anxiety, uncertainty, stereotyping are caused by inadequate cultural knowledge and the lack of intercultural communicative skills. Different cross-cultural barriers such as language, values, social relation, concept of time, concept of space, gestures. Organizational barriers. Organizational barriers are loss or distortion of messages as they pass from one level to another. Filtering of information according to one's understandings or interpretation. Messages not read completely or not understood correctly. How to overcome communication barriers. With your individual skills, with your organizational skills, and this mantra can be followed for your career. Thank you very much.